For an EAA on a Resound device, go ahead and click Resound Smart Fit, the software up top. Once the software loads, go ahead and click on Connect in the top right corner. And when your hearing aid is found, go ahead and select it, press Continue, and then you're going to press Continue until you get to the fitting screen. So once we get to this screen, I'm going to go to Instrument and Test Device, press Continue. And so this programming is a little bit different for the EAA. Make sure your first program is on full-on gain and then your second program is on the reference test gain. And once you have those selected, go ahead and press Continue and Apply Test Settings. So this will start the hearing aid on the full-on gain. Even though it says disconnected, the test settings have been transferred. And what it does is it turns the hearing aid off and on now into the full gain. So at this point, go ahead and run your full-on gain measures in the VeriFit 2. And once your full-on gain measures are completed, you want to do about a 1-second press to get to program 2. And once you've reached program 2, you'll see on the VeriFit that the triangle disappears. It may take a couple tries and to get to that. So once the triangle disappears, go ahead and close the VeriFit. Make sure your reference microphone is still lined up, and then go through your reference test gain. When it's complete, we want to go ahead and press Reconnect Devices. And once they're reconnected, press Restore. And now we can exit, and the EAA is complete. And like Oticon, you may need to look through the manufacturer specification binder we have, or you can go online and you can look up some manufacturer specifications and scroll until you find the correct model and then the correct receiver, and then you can compare your results.